feel like biology is such a good major for a lot of different careers, especially for research. And I felt that if I was able to come here as a biology major, I would have a lot of opportunities. This is a tier 1 institution, so a very good place when it comes to learning and education. I definitely wanted to come here for that. In our lab specifically, we work with this bacteria named Myxococcus xanthus. It has this very unique ability to shrink in size to become from a rod to a sphere. So it is very useful for us to visualize that. The major purpose of our lab is to understand how the cell wall works, which is basically a little capsule that all bacteria need to survive. So it is very vital for us to understand how this bacterial cell wall works and understand how it functions, how it is maintained, and how it is degraded. But what we do is we get a little piece of DNA, we put it into the microorganism, and we study it. We do the experiment to see what kind of effect it has, as well as what kind of mutation we want to see. And we have a very special microscope that lets us see very, very, very little tiny particles, and that lets us study the results. With that comes the ability to use different antibiotics, which are very essential to our use in medicine. And the application of antibiotics definitely is something that really needs to be researched. I really love doing research. I love being in the front lines of understanding and learning and all these cool new techniques and new discoveries. I get to see that progress towards my goal, and that really motivates me a lot. Even though you learn stuff in lecture, you have to see it in the real world to see its true applications. And I feel like every undergrad should be able to see what they learn in the actual real world, which is laboratory experiments and making sure that the research that you see coincides with the lecture material. This is a very good institution. I feel like I could not have learned as much in other places. And I also just want to keep enjoying my time here at A&M.